Chapter 2 Earth, the living planet. True or false? An astronaut is a person who travels around the world. False, because an astronaut travels to the space. The Earth is a huge ball of burning gases. False. It's the sun that is a huge ball of burning gases. Third, Ferdinand Magellan sailed in one direction and finally his ship reached the place from where it had started. True, but Ferdinand could not make it. He died in Philippines. Fourth one, there is more land on the surface of the earth than water. False, because there is more water, that is 75%. Fifth one, the sky is a vast space in the universe. True. Yes, the sky occupies a vast space. Answer the following questions. Why do we say that the planet Earth is unique? Earth is the only planet which has air, water and the right amount of warmth for living beings to live on it. Second one, who was Ferdinand Magellan? Answer, Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese sailor who went around the world. Third, what is the shape of the earth? Give 2 ways in which you can prove this. Answer, earth is round in shape. First point, Magellan proved that the earth was round by going around the earth. Second one, astronauts have looked at the earth from outer space and found that it looks like a huge blue ball. Fourth one, what is the horizon? The place at which the land and sky appears to meet is called the horizon. Fifth one, describe the sky. Answer, the sky is a vast space surrounding the earth. Multiple choice question. The land and sky appears to meet at the coast, horizon, sea. The answer is horizon. Second, all living things need this in order to live. Books, toys, air. The answer is air. Third one, a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft is called an acrobat, actor, astronaut. Answer, astronaut. Fourth one, Magellan was a sailor from France, Portugal, Britain. Answer, Portugal. Fifth, the earth is shaped like a ball, plate, burger. Answer is ball. Moving on to the puzzle. There are millions of these in the night sky. Stars. A vast water body. Sea, where land and water meet. Coast, a Portuguese sailor who helped prove that the earth is round. Magellan. People who travel to space. Astronaut. The planet on which we live. Earth. 3/4 of the earth is covered with this. Water. The layer of air that surrounds the earth. Atmosphere. That's the end. Thank you.